my glow peel appointment today. Wow, it's a nice Christmas tree. So, hi, I've come here for my glow peel treatment, and I do often come to Metamorphosis for my treatments, and I've been treated really, really well. They give me a lot of, service, and see, they have been taking precautions to make sure that no one gets the COVID infection. My temperature looks good. And cool. So, guys, as I did say in my last video, I have been coming to Metamorphosis on a very regular basis, and whenever I need an appointment, they do give me on a priority basis, and this is how my skin looks so good. So now, are we ready for the treatment? Yes. Hi guys, so now I'm entering the room where my treatment will be done. Now you can see that everything is ready here for the treatment. They have kept everything very neat and clean. Wow! There is also a welcome message for me which says, "Welcome to Metamorphosis Clinic Rajsi. We hope you have a relaxing treatment." Okay, this room has been disinfected for your safety. So as you can see, the room is absolutely clean and sanitized. This is how Metamorphosis, takes care of their clients, and I have a lovely and a great experience with them. So now my treatment will start in some time. I'll catch you guys and I'll. So guys, now I'm all set to go for my treatment. So you guys will see how the treatment goes on, and I will be showing you the entire treatment, how it is done, the glow peel. Anyways, my face looks so glowing. It will be glowing a little more after this. Love you. So now we are finally starting with the treatment.
You can hold this. So I'll be starting now.
Yeah.
Tell me if it's burning itching. Are you comfortable?
Yeah, very much.
Any burning itching on your face?
So far, no itching, no.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, very much. You won't be using any machine in this session, no? No machine.
No machine at all.
Okay. So this is the peel that is being done, and now we have to just wait it for to dry, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll wait for like 2-3 minutes and then we'll wipe it off.
Wipe it off. Okay. So it's a very simple process, but it gives a lot of glow to your face, as you can see. So do come for the peel sessions at Metamorphosis, as it's really effective. So there are different types of peel that happens. There is also a whitening peel. So There is also a whitening peel that I've done in the past, wherein your skin slowly comes out and it gives more glow to your face. So there are different type of peels, when you have this melasma on your face. There are peels which help you, to get rid of those melasma. And so basically peel is a very soothing, simple and nice treatment, and it really gives you that instant glow on your face. So now we are cleaning our peel, whatever solution was applied. Now Dr. Pooja is removing it.
You're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. And no itching, nothing,
No burning, right?
no burning, no itching, no burning.
Right.
It's been very smooth, and I'm feeling so good about my skin right now. Can't tell you. So they do have different kind of treatments, like Dermapan is one of them, where they also use a machine, and it's also very effective. There are a couple of my friends who have taken it and got, I've been always a little on a fair side, but after doing Dermapan, I've seen that, not only my skin has glown, but also it has given a very, soothing effect to my skin. It has regenerated my skin. It helps kind of also to make you look a little more younger than your age. So overall, the treatments that are given are very good, and Metamorphosis always guides you what is good for your skin. So stay tuned and keep visiting Metamorphosis for any inquiries that you have, and I'm sure they'll give you the best suggestion.
So this is the cool hammer for the cooling effect again. Instead of using ice,
Okay.
it gives you a very soothing.
Okay. So as Dr. Pooja said, this is the cool hammer, which gives a little cooling effect to your face after the peel session. Because some people might get that burning and itching sensation on their face.
Your skin is already glowing.
Yeah. I can feel that. And I can see it also.
To avoid any infection.
So after the cooling hammer, now Dr. Pooja is applying the antiseptic cream on my face to avoid any infections. Okay. So guys, I'm really feeling very good and refreshed, and as you can see, it's giving that lightening effect to my face. I'm so happy to look at that. So I'll catch you soon, guys. Till then, keep subscribing, keep following, keep loving me only at Rajsi VERM on my Instagram, and also on my website, that's www.rajsivarma.com. And also follow Metamorphosis at @clinicmetamorphosis.com, and their numbers are available on Google and Just Dial. So if you have any query about your skin, your weight, or anything that's affecting you physically, please contact them. I'm sure they'll be the right people to guide you. Love you all. Bye.